My name's Bradley Davis.
My name is Ellis Williams.
I'm Olivia Newen.
My name is James Daniel.
I am Andrew Philip Stevens.
My name is Rhys Harris and I am a project search intern at the Princess of Wales Hospital.
I'm currently in my first internship working in the mental health admin department, which is really fun and exciting, and I'm really enjoying it so far.
Oh, excellent support, more than I thought that we would. I would do it again in a second. If I received the same support, then yes, I would do it again.
The main skills I've been learning so far is like employability skills, communication skills between me and the staff, and confidence as well. Also teamwork skills, because you got to do a lot of teamwork skills when you work in the hospital to make sure you cooperate with your teammates as well as possible.
I am doing an internship at the Princess of Wales Hospital, Bridgend, at the catering canteen staff house department. Tasks I do in catering are tasks like I collect forks, knives, spoons, dishes, plates, forks, mugs, cups, trays, teapots, rubbish litter.
Occupational health. This is the first internship. There is 3 within the course of the year. The internship is good, I reckon. It sort of like gives you the skills you need to forge like future work, and towards helps you get a job. I use the computer quite a lot, which I know I have skills for the computer, but they're sort of like building on them skills.
Support services, and the job is basically cleaning, doing the picking, changing the bins. I like it. I feel quite good doing what I'm doing.
I'm doing an internship in A&E, primarily the reception area. Well, it keeps me happy that I have really pleasant co-workers.
He's very, very thorough in what he's doing. Also, he's always smiling. He's always like really happy, and he's really good at interacting with people. He's just, he's brought a nice atmosphere to the workplace, so that's nice. Andrew feels really welcome, and I think Andrew's enjoying it as well.
I am currently working at the Princess of Wales' pharmacy department, and at the moment I'm currently booking in medicines from the back and putting them in the right places around the department. I'm enjoying it. I really am enjoying it.
Rhys started with us about 7 weeks ago, and I must admit, I think he's embedded into the department fantastically. I think the pharmacy department in Princess of Wales is a great environment and a really supportive environment for an individual like Rhys with additional learning needs, and he's really embraced the opportunity, really, is what I would say.
They're all doing really well, yeah. They've kind of taken to it brilliantly. They're all enthusiastic. They're all eager to get out and learn. They're all picking up new skills. They're learning new things. They're coming back to the classroom and telling us about what they've learned.
By the end of this programme, I'm hoping to get either a part-time or full-time job in the hospital.
At the end of the year, I want to work as a barman.
My dream job has always been to work with children or do something to do with computers.
My dream job, I would like to be somewhere where it's to do with games.
I hoped I could get a job that means something to me.
I hope that I'll improve my confidence in hopefully finding a job. I never thought of it in the past, but after a couple of weeks of trying it out, I really did enjoy it, and I really want to be there forever. Pharmacy, that's always been my dream job.